It's the great Randy Reed, baby. Only here to help high schoolers and teenagers get the job. You already know what we're doing today, creating a resume with no work experience or just a little bit of work experience. Let's jump into it. This is how your resume is going to look at the end of the video. Let me show you how to get here. The first thing first, I want you to go to ChatGPT. All right. And once you're at ChatGPT, take a screenshot if you already don't have this. Create an account. Once you create an account, next, what's going to happen is that we're going to log into ChatGPT. Make sure you only do the ChatGPT, not the plus. In the search menu, type this as you see it here. All right. Can you please create a resume to download? In parentheses, put the DOCX files for both templates, a functional and a combination resume that are editable templates that a team with little to no work experience can easily fill and print. Click the up arrow. Next, it's going to start analyzing. Now we're about to have this template in only 30 seconds. What? A minute or so. Bam, here we go. The two in the blue, go ahead and click on either or. Once you click on one of those, it's going to automatically download if you have Word set up. Once it downloads, open that file up, and then it's going to give us that ability to edit the document. Of course, we want to click on enable editing, and then from there, we're free to erase and add whatever we would like to add or erase. Now, as you can see, this template is on 2 pages. We don't want our resume to be on 2 pages. Why? Because the hiring manager loves when that resume is just on 1 page and straight to the point. So I'm going to show you on the next slide here that's how we're going to get this resume on 1 page. And then I'm going to put up the 2 resumes and kind of briefly explain the difference between the two. On the right hand side is the functional resume. This is for the students who have no work experience. This is primarily focusing on your skills, your strengths. This is what we're going to highlight and focus most on with the functional resume. On the left hand side is the combination resume. This is for the students that actually have had maybe 1 or 2 jobs. Now the difference between the two, or one of the main differences, if you look below education on both, the combination has the work experience, and that's how you're going to list the work experience, just like you see it there. And on the right hand side, instead of work experience, it has volunteer and extracurricular experience, as well as achievement and awards to kind of make up for that. On the next slide, what I'm going to go over is going to be the final result of the resume. A few things we're going to look at quickly. The email, make sure it's professional. No nicknames. Adjective, make sure that your adjective stays the same. The only thing we're changing is just going to be the job title depending on what job it is. Skills and strengths. Like I said, if you have no work experience, keep these same skills and strengths. If you don't feel like you really have the ability or these skills that are listed here, it doesn't matter. Keep them, because that's what's going to attract the manager to hire you, and then within time you'll gain those skills. Education, if you have a high GPA over 3.0, put it there below that. Projects, volunteer experience. Now there are some projects I'm sure you can think of where you was in 8th grade, 9th grade, 10th grade that you can list here, some type of volunteer experience, but put something there. And then down at the bottom where it says activities and achievements, it could possibly be something there, a part of a team you was with, a group, award that you had, list that there as well. Now, of course, the great Randy Reed gotcha. I'm gonna leave all 3 templates below in the link to make it super simple and easy for you. I just wanted to make sure that you know how to get here and do it on your own. All right, that's it. So I know y'all ready to get the job, get the resume completed, follow those steps, and what it's gonna do, it's gonna get you closer to that job. You already know it's the great Randy Reed, only here to help high schoolers and teenagers get the job. If you like the video, if the video helped you out, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.